Let's check on the weather. Tropical storm Melissa has been forming in the Caribbean, 13th tropical storm of the season, if you're keeping count. With more on that, we're joined by AccuWeather meteorologist Alex DaSilva. Good morning, Alex.
Good morning, guys. Yeah, we're continuing to track Melissa right now. The storm's located right in here, right south of the Dominican Republic and Haiti, slowly gaining intensity right now, but it's dealing with some wind shear that's really starting to impact the storm coming from the west. It's blowing a lot of those showers and thunderstorms off to the eastern side of the storm. So I don't think there's going to be any rapid intensification here in the short term. However, as we move towards later portions of the week and into the weekend, I think that might change. You can see the storm is hardly going to be moving here over the next several days. I mean, you can see these points here coming south of Jamaica here. This is next Tuesday. We could still be dealing with Melissa south of Jamaica. So this is only a few hundred miles here that the storm is going to cover here over the next 5 to 7 days, it looks like. But you can see the intensities slowly ramping up here. We now have a Category 2 hurricane forecast south of Jamaica here, either late this weekend or early next week. And then the question is, where does it go from there? More than likely, it's going to turn to the north and east and go past eastern Cuba here. But there is the chance that if it comes far enough south here, that it could really ramp up very quickly and could become a major hurricane either late this weekend or early next week. So we're going to really have to watch that very carefully. We've been talking about it all season, how warm the ocean temperatures are in this area and how much energy is in the ocean. So that is certainly a concern. And then the rain, of course, is going to be the other big concern here for these Caribbean islands. We could be looking at more than a foot of rain, maybe 2 feet of rain in some areas from Jamaica to Hispaniola. So we're very concerned about mudslides and flash flooding with this slow-moving storm.
Could Florida feel any of this next week?
Yeah, we're going to have to keep a close eye out for it. I think the chance is low to see any direct hits on Florida. Overall, we're thinking that the storm does turn eventually after maybe meandering around down here for a couple of days. It should begin to turn and then head up to the north and east, maybe across the Bahamas or Turks and Caicos. Right now, I would say the chance of a direct impact on Florida is low. But sometimes funny things happen with these storms that like to meander around. So the southeast coast of the United States still needs to keep a close eye out for it. But right now, I would favor a track across Cuba and then out across well east of the United States.